Hey, here I am with the POCO X6 Pro and I want to show you the speaker sound quality test. On this smartphone you can actually find the dual stereo speakers at the bottom and at the top. So here's one speaker and here is second speaker at the bottom. So now let me show you how the speaker sounds and let's do this. So I'm gonna use this Himitsu song from the audio library Music for Content Creators. First will be add, and after this I'm gonna just leave this video for like 1 or 2 minutes to let you hear the sound. So let's close it. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Okay, so that's it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.